Kunal bought a suitcase with 15% discount on the labeled price. He sold the suitcase for Rs 2,880 with 20% profit on the labeled price. At what price did he buy the suitcase? Well, let us consider that the labeled price of this suitcase is X rupees. Now it is said that he sold the suitcase for 2,880 with a 20% profit on the labeled price. So I can say that 2,880 is equals to a 20% increase on this labeled price. So X plus 20 upon 100 X. Basically this is 120 upon 100 X. Cancelling out the zeros, we get X is equals to 2,880 times 10 divided by 12. Now 12 times 240 is 2,880. So X is equals to 2,400. We have the label price. Now what is asked in the question? At what price did he buy the suitcase? So we want the price at which Kunal bought this suitcase. So he bought this suitcase with a discount on this label price, and this discount was 15%. So I have the cost price, we could say, is equals to this label price decreased by 15%. So 100 minus 15% of X. So I have 100 minus 15% is 85% of X. So 85 upon 100 times 2400. So this is equal to 2040. So this is the price at which Kunal bought this suitcase for. A shopkeeper sells 25 articles at 45 rupees per article after giving 10% discount and earns 50% profit. If the discount is not given, the profit gained is. Well, let us assume that the selling price of each article be X rupees, and we have been given the discounted price, which is 45 rupees per article, and we also have the discount percentage. So by definition, discounted price is some percentage reduction of the selling price, and that percentage is the discounted percentage. So I can write 45, which is the discount price, is equals to 10% less of the selling price. So 100 minus 10%, so 90% of the selling price, which is X. So 90 upon 100 X. So therefore X is equals to 45 times 10 by 9. 45 times 10 by 9. So therefore X is equals to 50 rupees. So we have the selling price as 50 rupees. Now if this discount of 10% is given, there is 50% profit. It means that when we consider this 45 rupees, which is the discounted price, as the selling price, we get 50% profit. So this 45 is basically 50% increase in the cost price. So 100 plus 50% of the cost price. So 150 upon 100 times the cost price. So I can get the value of cost price here. The cost price is equals to 450 by 15, and therefore the cost price is equals to 30 rupees per article, and this is the selling price. Now if we do not give any discount, that means instead of selling this article at a discounted price, we sell this article at the selling price. What is the profit percentage gained? Well, we know the formula for profit percent. Profit percent is equals to the profit, which is selling price minus cost price, which is 50 minus 30 divided by the cost price, which is 30 times 100. So this is equivalent to 50 minus 30 is 20 times 10 is 200 by 3, and that is equal to 66 2 by 3 percentage. So we have the answer as option D. A shopkeeper sold an article offering a discount of 5% and earned a profit of 23.5%. What would have been the percentage of profit earned if no discount was offered? First of all, we will consider the cost price of an article is equals to 100 rupees. Now this article is sold by offering a discount of 5%. And when this discount of 5%, that means this discounted price is considered as the selling price, we earn a profit of 23.5%. So I can say that the discounted price is basically equal to a 23.5% increase in the cost price. So 23.5% increase of 100 is 123.5. But this discounted price is also a discount on the selling price. Now we have to calculate the selling price. So let us assume that the selling price is X rupees. So this discount is 5% reduction in X rupees. So this is basically equal to 100 minus 5% of X. So 123.5 is equals to 95 upon 100 times X. So therefore X is equals to 123.5 times 100 divided by 95. So this is, if you solve this, this will come out to be 130. So cost price is 100 and the selling price is 130. Now what is the profit? Well, profit is equals to 130 minus 100. The selling price minus the cost price, and that is 30. And 30%, I can say it because the cost price is 100. So the profit earned is 30%. So option C is the correct answer. Sachin bought an item at 20% discount on its original price. He sold it with 40% increase on the price he bought it for. The new sale price is what percent more than the original price? Well, let us consider that the original price of this item is 100 rupees. Now Sachin bought this item at 20% discount on this original price. So the cost price is equal to 20% reduction in this original price, which is 100 minus 20, that is 80. So the cost price is 80. Now he sold this item with 40% increase on the price he bought it. So 40% increase on the cost price. So the selling price is equals to 40% increase on the cost price. So 140% of the cost price. So 140% of 80. So this is equals to 140 upon 100 times 80. So we have 14 times 8, which is equal to 112. So the selling price is 112 and the original price is 100. So the increase in price is basically 12, and I can say it as 12% because the original price is considered as 100. So the new sale price is 12% more than the original price. So we have the option D as the correct answer.